Have you ever wondered what would happen if the US dollar, the most powerful currency in the world, suddenly collapsed? Would your savings disappear? Would the entire world economy fall apart? Some experts say it's not a matter of if, but when. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest financial questions of our time. Will the US dollar collapse? Right now, more than 85% of global trade is done using US dollars. Oil, gold, tech, all priced in dollars. Around 60% of the world's foreign exchange reserves are also held in US dollars. The reason is trust. The world sees the American economy as stable, powerful, and reliable. But that trust is beginning to crack. Let's look at what's really happening behind the scenes. Over the past few years, the US has printed trillions of dollars out of thin air. During COVID, the government pushed massive stimulus packages and quantitative easing. In fact, over 40% of all US dollars in circulation today were printed in just the past few years. Meanwhile, the national debt has now crossed $34 trillion. That's more debt than the entire US economy produces in a year. As interest rates rise to fight inflation, the government now has to pay more just to cover the interest on its own debt. That's like taking out credit cards to pay off other credit cards. It's dangerous and unsustainable. Inflation is already here. Prices are higher. Groceries, rent, gas, everything costs more. Your dollar buys less than it did just 2 years ago. And even if the collapse isn't sudden, Americans are already feeling the slow pain of a weakening dollar. But the real threat? It's coming from outside the US. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are creating a new financial alliance. They're building their own trade systems using local currencies, gold, and potentially a shared digital currency. And they're not alone. Countries like Iran, Turkey, and even Saudi Arabia are showing interest in joining this anti-dollar movement. This is called de-dollarization, and it's real. When countries no longer need the US dollar for trade, demand for the dollar falls. And when demand falls, value drops. For decades, the dollar's strength came from the fact that everyone needed it. If that changes, so does everything. Now, let's be honest. Will the US dollar completely crash like Venezuela's currency? Probably not. The dollar still has the world's biggest economy behind it, the most trusted financial system, and the military power to back it. But a slow, steady decline is very possible. That means higher inflation, lower purchasing power, and more global uncertainty. So what can you do to protect yourself? Number 1, diversify. Don't keep all your savings in cash. Look into assets like gold, real estate, and even digital currencies like Bitcoin. These aren't perfect, but they can help protect your wealth. Number 2, invest globally. Markets are strong, but not the only game in town. Consider international stocks and funds. Number 3, stay informed. Don't wait for the media to admit there's a problem. By then, it's too late. The dollar might not die tomorrow, but its power is fading. And if you're not preparing for what's next, you could be caught off guard. So, do you think the US dollar will collapse in your lifetime? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more real finance content that actually matters. Thanks for watching and take care of your money.